What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to another episode of Saturdays with SPY, guys. Let's call something out here, and I'm going to get right into it with SPY. This is the 200-day moving average, guys, and we fell past it. Check that out. Even though in the aftermarket on Friday, we did come back up about $5, okay? I don't know what that's about, but the war is definitely taking a toll on the stock market. People are selling off, guys. So let's take a look at what happened, and I want to show you how bad it is, guys. I'm going to look at the previous 5 days, guys, which tells me, okay, right in here, we had from this top to this bottom, guys. If I go across, you can see where SPY rejected right at the golden zone. And I'll map this out for you. We came down here and we came back up to 672, guys, and then we kept going down. Okay, now we've had a total of $29 drop, guys, for the week. Check that out. From the top, it's about 30, maybe 29, guys. Okay, so that is a big drop in the SPY, guys. Now we did have a rejection here at the golden zone, and then we continued to trend down the week before. And check this out. We do not, and I'm going to repeat, we did not come back up to the golden zone. See where we went? We have not come back up yet, and there is no sign that we are coming back up, guys. So I will tell you, be very careful trying to go long with SPY or any other stock right now, guys. I would wait until that fear factor gets a little bit lower. If you go look at it on CNN, it's about 13. Wait till it's about 4. All right, guys, let's get straight into our 20-minute box. And on Monday, guys, first 2 days, okay, we did have SPY pop up every single day. Okay, Monday and Tuesday they popped up. First day was $9, second day was $5.64 in the pre-market, guys. And I'm going to show you how we monetized in the bull ring with these two pops. Okay, after that you have no choice, and you can see this quickly became resistance for SPY, guys, on Monday, and then they had resistance, the same thing on Tuesday. So as soon as they popped up, guys, and this is something to learn, once the stock moves $10 in the pre-market or more, they're just going to come back to the bottom, guys, where they started. They need to pull back, and that's healthy for the stock. Then they will try to go back up. But you can see after Tuesday, guys, this is something huge that happened on the 20-minute, guys. This is why I like looking at 20-minute. We fell under the 50-day moving average, and you can see we had our crossover with our 8 and 20 crossing over with the 50. And after that, it was see you later, guys. Look at the drop on SPY just on the first day, guys. Okay, that was a $9 drop, and then they just continued to drop after that. If you jumped into puts the night before, you monetized again, guys. The total drop was about $7 here. And of course, we did have consolidation going on with SPY the rest of the day, guys. Now they did go up and down a couple of dollars, and that was the range they had for the day, guys. And at some point on Thursday, okay, that morning, guys, or I'm sorry, that afternoon, they popped up again, and they went up to $6.23, which was a very healthy move. Now, remember, once they go up, there is a chance of a pullback, but here, guys, they did not make it. Check out this drop from Thursday, guys, to Friday morning. They fell a total of $9, guys, and this was a consolidation for a while after that until about 12:50, maybe 1 p.m. and then SPY just kept going down, guys, and they went down a total of $15 from the night before, guys. Now, if you monetized on this, guys, congratulations, but this was a big surprise to a lot of people because we were headed up. And check this out, guys. So if you are trading, okay, this is very easy for you to enter a trade. If you've taken my courses, you understand that once they consolidate, you draw that support line, and then you're going to see a drop, guys. If they hang out down here long enough, potentially they're going to drop. Now, the other thing I want to point out, guys, if you're using this indicator, okay, you got to put signal. Your candles stay red on the 20, guys. This is very bearish. Now, look at this line here, guys. They never, ever went past it. This is your 8-day exponential moving average. This is your 20. And you can see not once, guys, throughout the chart from here, not once did they go past the cloud. Okay. Now, this is a sign for you, except for here, they did do it. But this is a sign once you enter in a put, guys, and you see that they are not crossing the 8-day exponential moving average on the 20-minute, they are going to continue down. And you can see here that they came up. And of course, in the aftermarket, they started going into the cloud, guys, which means potentially we'll have a reversal on Monday. But this is a good tip here, guys. Check it out. This is what I learned a long time ago. If they stay under the 8-day EMA, it's going to be a nice payday. And here we go, guys. Here are the total moves that we had for the week. As always, our market on top of the 20-minute box. And you have $41.57, sorry, in puts, 21.30 on calls. Total moves for the week was $62.87, guys. If you are trading, your goal should be to try to capture anywhere from 25 to 50% of these moves, guys. And you're going to get really good at trading, guys. If you catch all of them, then at some point, I want to be your student, okay? Now, for the time being, guys, I want you to take advantage of this indicator, guys, okay? I'm going to leave you a link below so you can join my Discord for free. Once you join, type the word Dominator, and I'm going to let you use the Dominator for free. Now, if you stayed this long in the video, guys, I'm going to give you some free tips, and I'm going to show you how this indicator can help you monetize. Check this out. So the Dominator comes with a Dominator Assistant, and we're going to just focus on the Dominator Assistant sell and buy signals, guys. Now, I've taken the liberty of marking off when we went bearish, then when we went bullish, guys. You have these bottom buys, guys. You can see it reached it all the way down here. When momentum builds, you get your label. But at the top, guys, these are the best sell signals if you want to enter puts, if you like being a bear. This red and green matches up with the actual chart on top, guys. I want to show you how the assistant helps you monetize, guys. So let's go ahead and check this out. And you can see from the lines, guys, okay? So I went ahead and marked off the direction, guys. From this red line here, you can see the trend went down. From the green line, we went up. And then so we went down, up and down, guys. And this matches exactly what this assistant is showing you, guys, these trends. And this is what I call repeatable systems. The stock market does it all the time, guys. This is something a lot of people have not identified, and they don't have an indicator to help them with their trading, guys. So you can see this helps you with trend change. Now, if you've hung out this long, guys, I want to show you something that is special about this indicator. If you are a full-time worker or a full-time student, you can trade on the 2-hour time frame, and this is what I recommend. This is what I did when I was a full-time worker in corporate, guys. I would use the 2-hour time frame to help me enter and exit trade. Now, let me show you how this works. Now, we're going to come down to our Dominator Assistant, guys, and you can see we get sell signals and we get buy signals. Now you can see the buy signals help you identify the new trend change, guys, and it helps you identify you are at a bottom. And look at this move up, guys, right to that red line, which matches that sell signal. And this is where I tell people you need to sell your option contracts. And you can clearly see, guys, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trend changes for the rest of the week. If you are a full-time worker again or a full-time student, guys, you would have been able to trade 6 major trend moves. Now let me show you. And there you have it, guys. Check it out, okay? 19, 20, 12, 9, 8, and $15, guys. This is what swing traders should be doing, guys. This is simple. You don't have to do anything. The Dominator does all the work for you guys. The Dominator pays for itself. So I'm going to remind you, I'm leaving you a link below, guys. Check out the Discord. Click on the link. It's for free. When you come into the Discord, go to the general chat and type Dominator, guys. And I will personally talk to you and help you set this indicator up. I have a quick course that shows you that as well, guys. And you can ask me questions live in the Discord, guys, and I will help you the rest of your journey. See you on the next video.